Hey everyone, as you guys know, I have COP's coil over plug on my car. I'll show you again. Got coil over plugs right over here, but they're all loosey-goosey. They're not on there properly. So what I am doing is I got another valve cover, and what I have done, painted it, cleared it, all this other stuff, but you can see here I put little extra doodads. See, doodads drilled, and I tapped holes right there in order for me to bolt on those coil over plugs. I have made started cutting some 15mm spacers. I got one more spacer to do. What's basically going to happen is right over here, have the coil over plug. There's that, and got myself a little O-ring. So holds it in place, seals up these holes, and those coil over plugs will be nice and secure on the valve cover. One thing I need to do is shave off the Toyota sign, or just so it can stand out a little bit more. That's going to be in a few minutes what I'm going to do. But yeah, coil over plug. That valve cover did its job, but it's pretty dirty, and yeah, get something a little bit better, a little bit more shinier. That one I did in a rush, and that one looks so much better. But I have this to put back on underneath, put some black RTV, seal it, and we'll be good. So, see you in a little bit. Alright, so got that all done. Baby monitor. But yeah, just got valve cover all cleaned up on the top for the Toyota sign. Now, time to work on the bottom. Put some RTV right there. Install it. Alright everyone, so I got my valve cover installed right up there. Gonna test fit the coils on here. This one I have to wait on. I have to get another bolt long enough to put my spacer in and everything that needs to happen in order for that to work. But everything else, whole, and yeah, coil over plug will be secured. And just like that, it is all in. Coils all in with the spacers. And yeah, now I could kind of drive it a little bit harder than I am. I just have that one last coil that I need to get seems like an 80mm bolt to go all the way down there. So now that that's been complete, now I have to go into the dash work on the gauge cluster on the RPM side, on the rev counter, putting a resistor in so I would be able to have see what RPMs I'm running. That's going to be a little bit of a mission. Not too bad, just because I've done it so many times, and I don't know, that could be another day. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens, but stay tuned, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.